How to fix any lag in Mobile Legends. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix any lag in Mobile Legends quickly and easily. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Mobile Legends app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply check if the Wi-Fi you are connected to is stable. It's possible that it might not be stable and might be the cause. And once you have confirmed that, just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here on the new page on the left side menu, simply tap on network setting. Now here you will see two options, speed mode and network boost. Simply turn on both those options and these two settings will help you to prioritize your connection for smoother gameplay. And after that, simply scroll down to the bottom of the same screen and tap on network test. And after that, a new page will pop up. Now here on the left side, you'll see another network boost option. So make sure it's enabled here too for extra stability. And before starting a match, you can turn on airplane mode and then turn it off. And after that, you just need to manually turn on Wi-Fi back, and this disables background mobile data apps and reduces lag by focusing all bandwidth on the game. And that's it. Now your Mobile Legends should be running a lot smoother with much less lag. And that's it. That's how you can fix any lag in Mobile Legends. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.